Traditional methods of wood drying often take a considerable amount of time and may result in warping or cracking of the wood. However, with advancements in technology, the vacuum wood kiln has emerged as a new option that can dry wood more quickly while reducing the risk of deformation and cracking. The vacuum wood kiln operates on the principle of lowering the boiling point of water in a vacuum environment, allowing the moisture inside the wood to evaporate rapidly at low temperatures. This process can be completed in a relatively short amount of time, significantly speeding up the drying process of wood. Moreover, since the process occurs in a vacuum, the surface temperature of the wood does not increase significantly, reducing the likelihood of surface cracking and deformation. The Shuowei high-frequency vacuum wood drying machine is an advanced vacuum wood drying device that utilizes high-frequency heating technology to evenly heat the wood, ensuring a stable and reliable drying effect. Compared to traditional wood drying kilns, the Shuowei high-frequency vacuum wood drying machine offers higher drying efficiency and lower energy consumption while maintaining the quality and color of the wood. In conclusion, the vacuum wood kiln represents a fast, efficient, and quality-preserving method for wood drying. The Shuowei high-frequency vacuum wood drying machine, as a representative of this technology, brings more options and possibilities to the wood processing industry.